I am Aisari and you are watching Saiban News HD. Now we are adding some important news.
Adding news from United Kingdom, Raja Sikandar Khan, chairman of the Kashmiri International Outfit representing the diaspora and the renowned think tank Global Pak Kashmir Supreme Council, was a guest of honor at the Stop the Human Trafficking and the Modern Day Slavery seminar in London City, where people from all walks of life along with interfaith speakers whom all emphasized and subjected on various ways of stopping the heinous crime of human trafficking. Raja Sikandar Khan, in his speech, stated that the only way of tackling the underworld mafia to stop this multi-billion-dollar trade of human trafficking is that we must unite together in order to build strength, courage, and wisdom to fight off the international criminals involved in human trafficking, taking advantage of the vulnerable women, men, and children in human trafficking, and forcing these vulnerable people into various activities of modern day slavery, sex trade, forced labor, along with many other forced criminal activities. Raja Sikandar saluted the organizers of the Stop the Human Trafficking team, Dr. Sheikh Ramzi, Dr. Saif Bakshi, and Captain Ali Javed, for their hard work and efforts to bring us all together on one platform in educating us and creating awareness amongst the masses in order to eradicate the heinous crime of human trafficking. Raja Sikandar also stated that no organization or individual can be successful in fighting or eradicating the underworld mafia without the moral and financial support of the community members, and therefore requested everyone to support the organizers of the Stop the Human Trafficking in every possible way you can. Amongst the speakers were Dr. Sheikh Ramzi, Captain Ali Javed, former MP and former Minister Keith Best, Martin Waitman, Nicola Garrington, Dr. Fortini Gudela, S. Rosen, Harmeet Shah Singh, Dr. Rev. Dr. Sir Somana Suri, and Tracy Coleman of Church of Scientology.
For more updates, connect with Saiban News HD.